What's up everybody, Kid and right here. So yeah guys, after months of speculations and leaks, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro smartphone is now official. I've been waiting for this smartphone for too long, so yeah, let's take a deep look at the top 5 features of the Huawei Mate 30 series. Let's start with this really cool feature called air gesture controls. Yes, this is a feature similar to what we have seen in the Pixel 4 smartphone. However, air gestures were never expected on the Mate 30 series. But yeah, Mate 30 series are also featuring the air gesture controls. So what it does is, it will let users control certain aspects of the Mate 30 Pro by using hover gestures. Well, this is something cool. This is basically a touchless way of interacting with the phone that will allow users to control their music, alarms and silence calls by simply waving their hands over the device. And in my opinion though, this will be much cooler than what's available on the Pixel 4 smartphone. Well, we have seen smartphones taking incredible photos in low light. Even recently, Apple introduced this feature that will let users take incredible photos in the low light. Well, Huawei is now taking ahead. Huawei introduced a feature that will let users make a video in low light situation. This is basically a video night mode that will let users make incredible videos in low light scenarios in the help of AI and in the help of these incredible camera sensors. This is the feature definitely you need to check out. Super Sensing Cine camera system is a Mate 30 Pro exclusive feature. You get a ultra-wide Cine lens 40 megapixel camera, a Super Sensing wide lens 40 megapixel and also an 8 megapixel telephoto. So due to these massive sensors, you are getting 7680 frames per second super slow-mo video in the Mate 30 series. With that being said, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus can only do 960 frames per second. If we compare this to the Mate 30 Pro, this 7680 frames per second is very slow. The video which you are watching right now is recorded from the Mate 30 Pro's camera using this super slow-mo video. Well, one of the most popular features in the iPhone were the 3D facial recognition system. Now, the Huawei Mate 30 series has it, and according to Huawei, it is much faster and much accurate than the last year's Mate 20 Pro. Although face unlocking is undeniably a great technology, but still, many people prefer to use fingerprint scanners. Apple doesn't offer this option. The Google Pixel 4 isn't expected to either, but Huawei does. The Mate 30 Pro is equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner that's now faster than ever. So definitely you are getting 2 security features in the Mate 30 series. Since the Huawei Mate 30 Pro's display curves around the edges of the device, Huawei has ditched the physical volume buttons on the side of the device in a favor of a new touch-sensitive solution. It's a similar technology to what we've seen on the Vivo's Nex 3 smartphone, but in the Mate 30 Pro, this feature can be accessed from the both sides. You need to double tap, and if you want to increase the volume, you need to swipe up, and if you want to decrease it, you need to swipe down. So yeah guys, that was some cool features of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. What do you think about them? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.